Hello, my name is Lisa Pennington, and I'm the Governor General of the Mayflower Society. It's summer in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and 404 years ago, the Pilgrims were absolutely reassured and happy that they had survived the first winter. In land like this, or even a few steps that way, they were actually growing the first corn and beans and squash that they hoped would survive. They even tried some English peas. It didn't work. But what was so important was that at the end of the summer, they could harvest their crops and they could join with their Native American neighbors in the first Thanksgiving. We're going to celebrate summer too. We'd like to thank a very special person, Melanie Platt, who was the head of the Daughters of American Colonists. She absolutely believed in the Bell Project and through her efforts was able to raise a substantial amount of money to redo the bells. So we're going to play the very first song of summer for her, and her song is Morning Has Broken. Thank you, Melanie, and thanks to everyone who has helped us do this with the Mayflower Meetinghouse.